In this video, we listed the 5 best impact wrenches that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Atomic Impact Wrench. The DeWalt Impact Wrench, distinguished by its black and yellow color scheme, features a durable wood construction and measures 9.2 inches in length with a weight of 2.8 pounds. Designed for strong performance, it delivers up to 300 foot-pounds of torque and offers enhanced user control through 4-speed settings, making it versatile for various applications. The tool includes precision wrench control to prevent over-tightening and fastener runoff, along with an onboard LED to illuminate dark workspaces, complete with brightness control. It also boasts a hog ring anvil for quick and secure socket changes and an optimized timber screw mode for effective use with wood. Built for longevity, the impact wrench features a glass-filled nylon housing that resists damage from oils and solvents, ensuring durability in tough environments. Number 2. Makita XWT08Z Wrench. The Makita 18V brushless impact wrench is a powerful tool designed for heavy-duty fastening tasks, featuring a robust BL brushless motor that delivers an impressive 740 feet-pounds of fastening torque and 1,180 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque. With a convenient 3-speed power selection switch, users can easily adjust the RPM and IPM settings, 0-900, 0-1, 000, 0-1, 800 RPM and 0-1, 800, 0-2, 000, 0-2, 200 IPM, for optimal control across various applications. The tool's 1/2 anvil with a friction ring allows for quick socket changes, enhancing efficiency. Additionally, the electronically controlled motor maximizes battery energy use, providing up to 50% longer run time per charge, while the absence of carbon brushes ensures cooler and more efficient operation, extending the tool's lifespan. With a compact length of 10 inches and a weight of 7 pounds, this impact wrench combines power and portability for professional and DIY users alike. Number 3. AIRCAT Pneumatic Wrench. The AIRCAT pneumatic power tool is a compact yet formidable impact wrench designed for heavy-duty performance, delivering a maximum torque of 1,450 foot-pound and a loosening torque of 1,700 foot-pound, constructed from durable metal. This 7.4-inch tool weighs 7.5 pounds and features the innovative Vibratherm drive technology, which significantly reduces vibration by 30% to 40% and prolongs the tool's lifespan by 50%. Additionally, the patented AIRCAT muffler system ensures impressively low noise levels, enhancing the overall user experience. With its ergonomic grip and handle design, the impact wrench provides exceptional comfort during operation, making it a reliable choice for professionals seeking powerful performance with minimized noise and maximum comfort. Number 4. Avid Power Cordless Wrench. The Avid Power 1/2 impact wrench is a robust and efficient tool designed to tackle rusted or tightly secured nuts and bolts with ease, featuring a powerful motor that delivers a maximum torque of 330 foot-pound for tightening and 370 foot-pound for loosening. Its infinitely adjustable speed control allows users to customize the wrench's performance from 0 to 2000 RPM simply by varying the trigger pressure. Equipped with a high-capacity 3.0A battery, this impact wrench offers extended runtime compared to those using a 2.0A battery, and it charges quickly in just 1.5 hours with the included fast charger. The unique friction design enhances socket retention on the anvil, ensuring efficient socket changes without the use of bearing balls. This versatile tool is ideal for a wide range of applications, including tire changes, heavy equipment maintenance, building projects, product assembly, and automotive repairs, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Number 5. WORKPRO 20V Impact Wrench. The WORKPRO 20V Impact Wrench is a compact yet powerful tool designed for a variety of applications, delivering an impressive 320 foot-pounds of maximum torque and a no-load speed of up to 2,100 RPM for efficient tightening and loosening of nuts and bolts. With its infinitely variable speed control, users can easily adjust the tool's speed using the on/off switch, enhancing safety by stopping immediately upon release. The impact wrench comes equipped with a rechargeable 20V 2.0 lithium-ion battery that fully charges in just 1 hour, along with a power indicator to remind users when to recharge. Its 1/2 chuck makes it versatile for automotive repairs, construction projects, heavy equipment maintenance, and product assembly, while 3 integrated LED lamps ensure visibility in low-light conditions. The package includes the cordless impact wrench, battery pack, fast charger, belt clip, and user manual, making it a comprehensive solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.